Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? So not too long ago, one of the people I follow on YouTube did a share about scientists who are what do you call this? I'm trying to look for the correct word. They're trying to put pig DNA inside human embryos. And these scientists these days are just doing a bunch of crazy things. And whenever I hear these kinds of stories, it makes your imaginations run wild. And it also makes me wonder what kinds of other stuff could these scientists, these crazy mad scientists, be doing inside these labs. It actually makes me wonder if they are really cloning dinosaurs. Now, many people say, and one of my science teachers in middle school said that because dinosaurs lived millions and millions and millions of years ago, there's not enough genetic material remaining in their fossils to extract it and clone them. You can only clone animals that lived very recently, like woolly mammoths, cave lions, woolly rhinos, Irish elks. But I'm starting to think that these scientists they have the potential to clone dinosaurs, and they're probably cloning. They probably are cloning dinosaurs. These sightings of Loch Ness monsters, the Ropin, the Ogopogo Lake monster, Mokele Mbembe. It's a sauropod dinosaur that is allegedly living in the Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa. And the Sasquatch. These could very well be prehistoric creatures created in science labs that either escaped from the labs or they were released into the wild by scientists where they can roam freely. And the Sasquatch in particular, that could very well be the Gigantopithecus, which was a very gigantic orangutan-like primate that lived in Asia. Only fossils of it remain in Asia, but these Sasquatch sightings that you're seeing all over the U.S. and in Canada, they could very well, these Bigfoot sightings and abominable snowman sightings could very well be descendants of Sasquatches, or they could be Sasquatches cloned back from science labs. Those are just one of the things that I'm thinking of that scientists could be doing inside their labs, because they're really doing really bizarre things. They're trying to play God, and in fact, there's this project going on called Pleistocene Park, where scientists are really desperate and are really attempting to clone back animals from the Ice Age, such as the ones I mentioned before, the woolly mammoth, the Irish elks, cave lions, woolly rhinos, the Elasmotherium. They're really trying to clone back those animals and have a place for them somewhere in Russia or Siberia where they can roam freely in a natural habitat, in a habitat similar to the habitat they were living in during the Ice Age, during the Pleistocene era, hundreds of thousands of years ago. So, yeah, these scientists are really pulling up lots and lots of tricks. And I'm also hearing that scientists in China are trying to genetically modify babies, which to me is very unethical to do to human beings, and I just think it's fucked up. And I'm also hearing that they want to set up an artificial moon in the sky, which scientists are saying are going to be 8 to 10 times brighter than our normal moon, which is not gonna be a good thing because it's gonna cause lots of light pollution. It's gonna disrupt the sleeping habits of many living things on Earth. So these scientists are just really doing crazy things without the consideration for humanity. I just wanted to share that those interesting pieces with y'all, family. Have a good one, and shalom.